Very good evening, all. It's 9th of May 2024. We are here for our new session. और आज का बहुत ही स्पेशल सेशन है, बहुत ही छोटा सा सेशन है, बट वेरी स्पेशल सेशन हमारे 15 डेज चैलेंज में. एंड व्हाट आई रियलाइज इज नंबर वन थिंग आई वुड ऑलवेज से कि दिस इज द नंबर वन थिंग जो आपको इम्प्लीमेंट करनी है अपनी लाइफ के अंदर टू टू चेंज योर लाइफ. And why I say this is the number one thing, because the moment you start implementing this, you are going to see changes in your life. Like आज जैसे 12th बोर्ड की एग्जाम थी, आज उनका रिजल्ट था, सॉरी. एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव गॉट गुड मार्क्स एंड सम माइट नॉट हैव गुड गुड मार्क्स. बट जिनके अच्छे मार्क नहीं आते उनको क्या स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए, दिस इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू टुडे. सेकेंड चीज, आप अपनी लाइफ के अंदर कहीं पे भी अटक रहे हो, what is the first step you really need to take it so that you can come out of that problem right now in your life? How fast you can come out of? So here's where I really want to share one story, and I want to start with one of my favorite stories. जहाँ पे एक बार एक लेडी और उसकी बच्ची दोनों एक जगह पे बैंक में लाइन में खड़े रहते हैं, और दोनों लाइन में खड़े होते हैं, और उनकी जो छोटी बच्ची, जो 5 साल की बच्ची होती है, वो उनकी मदर से कुछ मांग रही होती है. और उसकी मदर, शी वॉज रिपीटिंग, जेनिफर, डोंट क्रिएट सीन ओवर हियर. बट वो 5 साल की बच्ची थी, वो कुछ ना कुछ उसको चाहिए था. सो शी वॉज वेरी एडमेंट, और शी वॉज लाइक, आई रियली वॉन्ट इट. So she was telling again and again on this. Then again, the mother said, Jennifer, relax and don't create scene over here. Still, वो लड़की थी, 5 साल की थी. She was very adamant. And then her mother said, Jennifer, relax. We will sort it out very soon. एंड ये देख के वहां पे पीछे एक आदमी और खड़ा था, जो लाइन में ही खड़ा था. उसने कहा कि मैम, आपको नहीं लगता कि आप इससे बहुत एडल्ट लैंग्वेज में बात कर रहे हो, उससे वो बात कर रहे हो जो इसको समझ के बाहर है. एंड आप उसको समझाने की जगह, आप उसको चुप करने की जगह, बस आपको यही यही बोलते जा रहे हो. एंड द द मदर सेड, whom you are talking about? Whom you are talking about? I am talking to myself. My name is Jennifer. She was talking to herself. Jennifer, relax. सो आज के बाद में आपको कभी भी अपनी लाइफ के अंदर ना कोई भी प्रॉब्लम दिखे ना, टेल टू योरसेल्फ, जेनिफर, रिलैक्स. whenever you go and find any problem, सुबह लेट हो गए, जेनिफर, रिलैक्स. और या तो ऑफिस में कहीं पे पॉलिटिक्स चल रही है, जेनिफर, रिलैक्स. यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन. आप जा रहे हो और आपने देखा बहुत गर्मी तेज है, आप क्या करोगे? जेनिफर, रिलैक्स. Now, why I share this? Because this is the one way to approach the life. And what is the second way? And the second way is take out the ownership to change. Take out the leadership to change. But you know what happens? We don't want to take the ownership. We don't want to feel calm. We just want to complain the things. और ये ऐसे लाइफ चेंज नहीं होती. My coach always says, okay, you start doing complain and you have wasted, you do complaining for 5 minutes and you have wasted 5 minutes. Complain is a waste of time. Either you take out the ownership to change it, or Jennifer, relax, move on. But you know what people do? They just think, go through with the situation, and they start complaining over that situation. By making complaint in your life, you are not going to achieve anything in your life. So better take out the ownership and change it, or Jennifer, relax and move ahead. These are the only two options you have in your life. So how you can change your life? First, whatever happens in your life, either be relaxed, because just by getting angry, you are going to get BP and diabetes. Nothing else is going to change in your life. बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत गर्मी है, बहुत गर्मी है. What is going to change in your life? Put some trees. That's your leadership. Grow some trees. Either you take the ownership to change it or don't complain. These are the only two options you are available. Now there are a lot of people who say me, Chetan, I don't know what I can do, but मेरा weight बढ़ ही रहा है. I'm not able to control it. First, just be relaxed. That's fine. Or second, take out the ownership, take out the leadership. Go to the gym. Who stops you from doing the gym? Do some exercise. Eat healthy food. Who stops you from doing that? Who stops you from learning and doing research on the food? No one. Lot of people come and say, चेतन पता नहीं ये मार्च से लेके अक्टूबर तक में बहुत गर्मी होती है और हमारा बिल भी ज्यादा आता है और गर्मी भी बहुत लगती है. ओके, फर्स्ट, जेनिफर रिलैक्स. You can't do it anything, then just relax. Or second, take out the ownership. Do something. That's what I did for myself. I took the ownership. The first thing, I just realized कि सब लोग क्या कर रहे हैं पता है, एसी चालू करके बैठ जाते हैं. That's why the temperature is increasing in the entire town. Is it true or not? I took the ownership that in this, from this summer, I will not put on the AC. मैं एसी चालू नहीं करूंगा. I will find a solution, and that's what I did. We bought one air cooler. And why we did that? हमने क्यों air cooler लिया? Because it does not harm the environment. I took the ownership कि हम इस बार AC नहीं चलाएंगे. Do some ownership. Every single month we buy 2 plants. Do the plantation, na? Do something that what is there in your control. But just by getting angry, just by like complaining, it is not going to change anything. A lot of people say, Chetan, I really want to grow in my career, but I don't know what to do. You know what to do. First, either be relaxed, Jennifer, relax. You can't do anything, then just be relaxed. By having more frustration, by like going through the life, it is not going to affect you. Or second, take out the ownership. Build skills. Who stops you from building a skill? आज we are having this Vastu and numerology course. Just by joining this course, you are going to build one skill in just 1.5 month. कौन सी स्किल है जो 1.5 महीने के अंदर बिल्ड हो जाती है, जिसके थ्रू आप पैसे कमा सकते हो? This is the skill you can build. But you know what you want to do? You want to complain. Nothing is changing in my life. I don't know how I'm going to grow in my life. There is a job insecurity in my life. मेरा बॉस मुझे परेशान करता है. I don't know what to do. Either first, Jennifer, relax. Or second, take out the leadership, take out the ownership to change it. Just by getting angry on the things, it is not going to change it. So the first step to change your life is either you take out the ownership or Jennifer, relax. These are the only two options you are having. And the moment you take the ownership, na, you think you take the entire charge of your life. आप अपनी लाइफ की ओनर बनते हो. You know ownership, you are the owner of your ship. That's the meaning of this ownership. And when you understand this power, na, you change your life. You literally change your life. Just by complaining, you are not going to get anything. So from today, whatever things you are struggling with, be it in your health, Who stops you from taking good actions in your life? I took the ownership. मैंने मेरी हेल्थ की ओनरशिप लेना शुरू किया. I started eating protein in my diet. क्या किया मैं थोड़ा सा बताता हूँ. हमने रात भर मग और चने उसको भिगो दीजिए आप रात भर. सुबह जब वो स्प्राउटेड हो जाते हैं तो वो स्प्राउटेड को आप लीजिए, उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा मसाला डाल दीजिए जो भी आपको पसंद है, वो मसाला डाल लीजिए, वेजिटेबल्स डाल दीजिए उसके अंदर, और उसका एक चीज उसके अंदर थोड़ा सा बेसन डालिए. बेसन डाल के उसको नो नो ऑयल और वेरी लेस ऑयल में उसको फ्राइंग पैन पे उस पर स्प्रेड कर दीजिए और उसके चीले बनाइए. हाईएस्ट प्रोटीन है उसमें. यू हैव ओनली 1 और 2 इन द मॉर्निंग एंड यू विल फील आपको पूरे दिन भर की एनर्जी मिल गई. इम्प्लीमेंट ना. Who stops you from doing this? Second thing I realized in my life, that's what I'm sharing, why I take the ownership of my life, because I control my life. Second thing I realized, जितने भी साबुन आते हैं, जितने भी बॉडी वॉश आते हैं, उन सब में हार्ड केमिकल्स होते हैं. कितने लोगों को पता है ये? एंड स्टिल वी यूज इट. नाउ यू लॉट ऑफ पीपल से फिर नहाएंगे कैसे, क्या करेंगे, पता नहीं कैसे करेंगे. ओके, टेक आउट दी ओनरशिप ना. Who stops you from taking ownership? Let me share that thing also. From now, from last like 20 days now, I and Raghav, my son, हम दोनों किससे नहाते हैं पता है? 3 चम्मच बेसन लो, 3 टीस्पून बेसन, 1 टीस्पून मुल्तानी मिट्टी, उन दोनों को मिक्स करो एंड just use that thing as a body wash. You will be surprised to know how your skin grows. You don't need soap also. You don't need body wash also. Now, who stops you from doing all this kind of research? I took the ownership for my body. I took the ownership that I don't want to use any chemical on my body. Why can't you? Either, Jennifer, relax. Nothing is going to change. You just be relaxed. That's fine. But second, take out the leadership, take out the ownership to change something in your life. So this is the number one principle that I always believe. Take the ownership of your life. And this is the first step to change your life. For some of you, you might hate me for saying this, but you are only responsible for your life. No one else is responsible. If you think the environment is responsible, no, you are only responsible. If you think your mother, father is not supporting you, no, you are only responsible. You know, today आज जब मैं गया, there was one person जिसका 12th का रिजल्ट था एंड इतने उसके अच्छे परसेंटेज नहीं आए थे. सो आई वाज जस्ट टॉकिंग टू हिम एंड आई आस्क्ड हिम कि कंप्यूटर में उसके कम मार्क्स आए थे. सो आई आस्क्ड कि कंप्यूटर में कौन इतने कम मार्क लाता है, एंड ही टोल्ड मी कि हमारे सर ही नहीं थे पढ़ाने वाले, अच्छे नहीं थे. एंड आई जस्ट सेड आइदर यू एक्सेप्ट इट और सेकंड यू टेक द ओनरशिप. यू कैन गिव मी द एक्सक्यूज दैट इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड जहां पे यूट्यूब पे एक क्लिक पे सब कुछ मिलता है, यू कैन टेल मी कि अच्छे सर नहीं थे. ट्रू और नॉट? It's your missing of the ownership that has allowed you to have this mark. You can't tell me this. I said no, it's an excuse. And he was like, सच में सर नहीं थे. I said, did you go through the options? Did you go through with the options? No. That means you are responsible. So everything change in your life when you start thinking in this way. So this is the number one principle I wanted to share it. Take out the ownership in your life. Or second, Jennifer, relax. Just be relaxed. By getting angry with the situation or for the situation, you are going to get diabetes and BP. So better just be relaxed. with the current situation, or take out the ownership, take out the leadership to change it. And nobody can change it for yourself. Only you are responsible to change it. And when you understand this now, you change your life. You truly change your life. Okay. So what are the action steps? From today, I really want you to think in this way that whatever things are happening in your life, take out the ownership of that thing. Either you are struggling in your health, or you are struggling in your relationship, or you are struggling in your career, or you are struggling in your finances. Whatever be it is, first thing, take out the ownership of it. And then see how doors are opening in your life. So the first affirmation which I really want to give you, that I do it every single day, that I am responsible for my life. No one else is responsible. I am responsible for my life. No one else is responsible. And once you start doing this affirmation, now you start creating more power in your life. Okay. So thank you so much, guys. And we are keeping it very short because I just wanted you to understand this power, to have this, to get it go into the deeper way in your mind, so that you start growing in your life. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, and see you tomorrow at the next session. Tomorrow we are going to do some more exciting things, and so just see you tomorrow. Thank you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, keep on subscribing, and for this content, this kind of content, so that you grow your more in your life. The only reason for this channel and these sessions are you grow much more faster than you. Okay. Thank you. And yes, tomorrow I'm doing one special webinar on Vastu and numerology session. So join on that session also. Thank you. See you tomorrow.